viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, where you watch and learn. I am your tutor, Alex Musawa, and I'll be taking you through Chemistry Form 3, our lesson number 32. Our topic is properties of sulfur and the uses of sulfuric acid. Objectives: to determine the chemical and physical properties of sulfuric acid. Number 2, to find the uses of sulfuric acid. What are the properties of sulfuric acid? The physical properties of sulfuric acid. Number 1, sulfuric acid is hygroscopic. That means this acid absorbs water from the environment. Therefore, it is used as a drying agent. When we take crystals of copper sulfate, they will turn to white powder. That means that the water of crystallization in copper sulfate is going to be absorbed by concentrated sulfuric acid. It is capable of removing elements that have water, and it's also used to dehydrate alcohols. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a colorless oily liquid. It has a density of 1.84 grams per cubic centimeter and boils at 338 degrees Celsius. It is very soluble in water. It is very soluble in water. And if water is added to the acid, it forms a steam-like substance because the reaction is highly exothermic, and it causes the acid to be scattered in the container. That's why we don't dilute concentrated sulfuric acid directly. We dilute it in small proportions. That's so. Sulfuric acid reacts with metals. Sulfuric acid reacts with metals to form metal sulfates. It reacts with metals to form metal sulfates and sulfur 4 oxide gas and water. And it reacts with, for example, copper to form copper sulfate plus sulfur 4 oxide and water. Number 2, sulfuric acid reacts with nonmetals to form sulfur 4 oxide and water. It reacts with nonmetal to form sulfur 4 oxide and water. For example, it reacts with sulfur to form sulfur 4 oxide and water. And it reacts with carbon to form sulfur 4 oxide, carbon 4 oxide and water. Concentrated sulfuric acid is less volatile. It displaces more volatile acids from their salt. For example, it reacts with potassium nitrate to form nitric acid and potassium hydrogen sulfate, and it reacts with sodium chloride to form hydrochloric acid and sodium hydrogen sulfate. And what are some of the uses of sulfuric acid? What are some of the uses of sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. It is used in manufacture of fertilizers. It is used in the processing of metal ores. Number 3, it is used in the manufacture of detergents. Number 4, it is used in the manufacture of plastics. Number 5, it is used in the manufacture of dyes and paints. And number 6, it is used in the manufacture of lead acid accumulate. Those are batteries. And that is the end of our lesson. Activity: why is sulfuric 6 acid used as a drying agent? Number 2, is sulfuric 6 acid an oxidizing or reducing agent? Explain. Our reference is KLB Book 3, 5th edition, 2019. For more information, contact us on our phone number, YouTube Elimu TV, Facebook Elimu TV, Twitter at Elimu TV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV. Stay tuned.